Hi Mari, how are you?
Pretty good. And you?
Good. Mari, would you like to go to party?
A party? That sounds like fun. When is the party?
It's right now.
Oh, I'd love to go to party.
Great. It's just down the street.
Okay, let's go.
Hi Mari, how are you?
Pretty good. And you?
Great. Mari, my cousin Jen is getting married. Would you like to go to the wedding with me?
I'd love to. When is the wedding?
It's today at 4 p.m.
At 4 p.m.? But it's 10 a.m. now. Oh dear, I'd better get ready.
I'll pick you up 3 o'clock. Hi Mari, how are you?
Pretty good. And you?
Good. Mari, would you like to go to film?
A film? When is the film?
It's this afternoon.
I'm sorry. I can't go this afternoon. I'm busy. But thanks anyway.
Maybe another time.
Sure, let's go another time. Hi Rudika, how are you?
Great. And you?
Pretty good. Rudika, would you like to go to a soccer game?
A soccer game? Hmm, I don't really like soccer, but thanks anyway.
Okay,
Have fun.
thanks.